Up the vehicle GPS tracker. 1. SIM card installation. 1. Power off the device before installing the SIM card. 2. Insert the SIM card into the SIM card slot. Ensure that the card chip is facing up. 3. Put the SIM card slot back. Four. If you want to take out the SIM card, use the tweezers to press the SIM card pop-up switch. The SIM card slot will pop up. 2. Install the 3G GPS antenna. 1. Connect the 3G antenna to the connector which is labeled 3G. 2. Connect the GPS antenna to the connector which is labeled GPS. 3. Install the power wire. Red, connect to car battery, plus. Black, connect to car battery, minus. Green, connect to ACC. Yellow, connect to SOS. White, connect to relay, 85. Pink, connect to relay, 86. Note, relay is optional. 4. Install the SOS. The red of SOS, connect to yellow of the power wire. The black of SOS, connect to black of the power wire. How to configure the vehicle GPS. When connecting to the server for the first time, you have to configure the device as follows. Using your phone, send the SMS commands to the unit SIM card number. 1. Preset the cell phone number. Note, the default password is 0000. 2. Set the APN. Note, please contact your local mobile operator to get the correct APN. 3. Set the IP and port. 4. Set upload interval time. 5. Set upload interval time. ACC off and vehicle stop. 6. Set upload interval time, ACC off and vehicle move. 7. Keep the tracker outside to get a better GPS signal. 8. After a while, the device will be online and connected to the server.